Imagine standing at the edge of a seemingly infinite expanse, with billions upon billions of celestial bodies scattered across it. Welcome to the universe. It's a realm of mind-boggling vastness, a cosmic sea that stretches out into the infinite, so large that our human minds struggle to comprehend its true scale. Picture this. It's so vast that light, which travels at an astonishing speed of 186,000 miles per second, takes billions of years to traverse it. This infinite universe is home to a dizzying array of celestial bodies. These objects, scattered like cosmic jewels across the fabric of space, range vastly in size. They start from the smallest, like asteroids and comets, mere specks when compared to the grand scale of the universe. There are also planets, each with its unique characteristics, some smaller than our moon, others far larger than our Earth. Then we move on to the stars, colossal spheres of burning gas, many times larger than any planet. Our sun, for instance, is so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. But even the sun pales in comparison to some of the giants out there. Stars so large they make our sun seem like a tiny dot. And yet, these stars are but specks within galaxies, enormous cosmic cities that host billions of stars. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is so large that even traveling at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross it. But even galaxies aren't the limit. They gather in clusters and superclusters, forming vast cosmic webs that stretch across the universe. And beyond all that we can see lies the unobservable universe, a realm so distant its light hasn't reached us yet and perhaps never will. As we journey through this cosmic vastness, we'll start with the smaller celestial bodies and gradually scale up to the larger ones. Our journey begins with the smallest celestial bodies we're familiar with, planets and their moons. These celestial bodies, scattered throughout our solar system, come in all shapes and sizes, each with its own unique charm. Let's start close to home with our very own Earth. It's the third planet from the Sun and the largest of the 4 terrestrial planets. Its diameter measures about 7,918 miles. But Earth isn't the largest planet in our solar system. That title goes to Jupiter. With an astonishing diameter of around 86,881 miles, Jupiter is so big that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Next to Jupiter, the Earth might seem tiny. But let's put things into perspective by looking at our moon. Our moon is about 1/4 the diameter of Earth. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would be no bigger than a tennis ball. Planets and moons can vary greatly in size. For instance, Mars, our neighboring planet, is roughly half the size of Earth, while Venus, our sister planet, is almost the same size as Earth. Moving away from the terrestrial planets, we encounter the gas giants. Besides Jupiter, there's Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. It's known for its iconic rings and is approximately 72,364 miles in diameter. Then we have the ice giants, Uranus and Neptune. Uranus, with a diameter of about 31,518 miles, is slightly larger than Neptune. Lastly, we have the smallest planet in our solar system, Mercury. Despite being the closest planet to the Sun, it's only about 2/5 the size of Earth. From the fiery surface of Mercury to the gaseous giants Jupiter and Saturn, our solar system alone offers a vast range of sizes. And this is just the beginning of our cosmic journey. Stay tuned as we venture further into the universe and explore the scale of stars, galaxies, and beyond. Leaving the realm of planets, we venture into the dazzling world of stars. Stars, the celestial bodies that light up the night sky, are far more diverse and astounding than one might initially believe. They come in a breathtaking array of sizes, with our own sun serving as a familiar benchmark. The Sun, with a diameter of about 1 million miles, is considered an average-sized star. Let's start small. Dwarf stars, like our nearest neighbor Proxima Centauri, are considerably smaller than our Sun. Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf, only has about 1/7 the diameter of the Sun. Despite their small size, these stars are incredibly common, making up about 3/4 of all stars in the universe. Stepping up a notch, we find stars like Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky. Sirius is twice as large as our Sun, a testament to the diversity in star sizes even within our own galaxy. But the real giants of the star world are the supergiants. These stars, like Betelgeuse in the Orion constellation, dwarf our Sun in a way that's almost impossible to comprehend. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, has a diameter about 1,000 times that of the Sun. If placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend past the orbit of Jupiter. Then there are hypergiants, the true behemoths of the cosmos. Stars like UY Scuti, currently the largest star known to us, has a diameter about 1,700 times that of the Sun. That's a size so immense it's difficult to truly grasp. But even these cosmic giants are not the end of our journey. The universe is a place of infinite possibility, and who knows what we might discover next. As we leave the bright world of stars, we realize our Sun is just a tiny speck in this cosmic sea. Next stop, galaxies, colossal structures made up of billions of stars. Galaxies are truly something to marvel at. Each one, a cosmic metropolis, a swirling city of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. When we look up at the night sky, we're seeing just a tiny fraction of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. It's estimated to be around 100,000 light years in diameter. But what does that mean? Well, a light year is the distance light travels in a year, nearly 6 trillion miles, so you can imagine how vast our galaxy really is. But the Milky Way is far from the largest galaxy in the universe. Consider the behemoth IC 1101, an elliptical galaxy so gigantic, it dwarfs our Milky Way. It stretches a mind-boggling 6 million light years across. Picture this, if the Milky Way was the size of a coin, IC 1101 would be as large as a city block. On the other end of the scale, we have dwarf galaxies. These are small galaxies composed of about 100 million up to several billion stars. The Sagittarius dwarf spheroidal galaxy, for example, is a satellite of our Milky Way and contains a mere fraction of the stars. Yet even these small galaxies are vast beyond our everyday comprehension. Galaxies come in all shapes and sizes, from spirals like our Milky Way, to ellipticals like IC 1101, and irregulars that defy easy categorization. Some are solitary wanderers, others move in groups or clusters, bound together by the force of gravity. As we journey from the familiar stars of our own galaxy to the farthest reaches of the universe, we encounter these awe-inspiring structures, each one a testament to the grandeur and complexity of the cosmos. Each one a reminder of our place in the universe, a tiny speck on a tiny planet circling a single star in a galaxy among billions. From pinprick dwarf galaxies to swirling spirals of light, the universe's size truly begins to show itself. Finally, we reach the grandest scale of all, the observable universe. This is the big picture, the largest frame of reference we can comprehend, and it's about as mind-boggling as it gets. The observable universe is, quite simply, everything we can see from our vantage point here on Earth. It's all the cosmic light that has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, some 14 billion years ago. Now, let's talk size. The observable universe is estimated to be around 93 billion light-years in diameter. To put that into perspective, if you were to try and traverse this distance at the speed of light, that's roughly 670 million miles per hour, it would take you, about 93 billion years. And it's not just vast, it's jam-packed. The observable universe is thought to contain 2 trillion galaxies. That's right, 2 trillion swirling masses of stars, planets, and all kinds of cosmic oddities. Each of these galaxies is home to hundreds of billions of stars, and each star potentially hosts its own system of planets. If you were to try and count all the stars in the observable universe, you'd be busy for a while. By some estimates, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. But here's the kicker. All of this, the galaxies, the stars, the planets, they only make up about 5% of the observable universe. The rest is made up of mysterious dark matter and dark energy, the nature of which we're only just beginning to understand. So when we talk about the observable universe, we're not just talking about a vast space. We're talking about a vast cosmic wilderness, teeming with celestial phenomena that we can barely begin to imagine, let alone understand. In the vast expanse of the observable universe, even galaxies become mere dust particles. With the observable universe as our backdrop, let's take a moment to reflect on our journey. We started small, with the planets and moons in our own solar system. Earth, our home, is a mere 12,742 kilometers in diameter. Jupiter, the largest planet in our system, dwarfs our home with a diameter of nearly 140,000 kilometers. And yet, even Jupiter is dwarfed by our own Sun, with a diameter of approximately 1,392,000 kilometers. We then journeyed to the stars, those twinkling lights that dot the night sky. Our sun, a medium-sized star, is minuscule compared to the likes of Betelgeuse and Ui Scuti. These stars, with diameters hundreds of times that of our sun, are just a few of the billions that fill our galaxy. Our journey continued with galaxies, swirling conglomerates of stars, dust, and dark matter. Our Milky Way, home to our solar system, is but one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies contains hundreds of billions of stars, and each star potentially hosts a system of planets. Finally, we arrived at the observable universe, a sphere with a radius of approximately 46 billion light-years. This is the universe as we know it, the edge of what we can see. Beyond this boundary lies the unknown, a vast expanse waiting to be discovered. So here we are on Earth, a tiny speck in the solar system, which itself is a tiny speck in the Milky Way, which is a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe. Our journey has shown us the unimaginable scale of the cosmos, emphasizing just how small we are in comparison. In the grand cosmic scheme, we are but tiny specks on a tiny speck, hurtling through an unimaginably vast universe. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic explorations.